I'll give you $5 if you race the cop.
Hey, I fucking got my engine on him. There's been a lot of talks about.
I know. I had one mean mugging me earlier. I was driving past, he just kept staring at me. Hey Matt, was that a chick with armpit hair or was that a dude?
Chip armpit hair?
I thought that was a chick until I saw the armpit hair, then I got confused.
Yeah, it's a chick.
I was gonna ride with her and I thought, is that a guy?
Yeah. You got fucking armpit hair?
Not even kidding. Whatever it was. That's the guy that dresses up. Says he's the mayor of Silverton. Did you see that? Did you see that lady crossing the road? That's a guy.
That was a guy?
Yep. He claims he's the mayor of Silverton. He always walks around Salem.
He doesn't use crosswalks.